Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to the tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to get Audible for free. Now, as you can see here, I'm logged into my Amazon account. And in order to get the Audible for free so that you can use it, you want to go to the upper right hand side where you have your account and list. Just click on that section here and it's going to open up a whole lot of lists for you. Now, you want to look under the digital content and devices section and scroll down and just look a bit where it says Audible settings. If you click on Audible settings here, this is going to take you over to where it shows you if you have a subscription or not. You maybe and most likely don't have none. That's why you're looking for option where you can use it for free. And here it currently shows that membership, free trial, I'm eligible, right? So I can easily go ahead and click learn more about Audible membership. I can click on that. And this is going to take me over to this page here right under Amazon where it shows that I can get Audible Premium. You have the plus and you also have the Premium Plus for free. You can get a 30-day free trial to use Audible for free, guys. You get all the benefits to it. So whichever one you choose, guys, you can easily go ahead and start using it for free. The only difference is that after 30 days, if you want to continue to pay, or if you want to pay after 30 days, you will either pay the $7.95 or basically the $14.95. But you can cancel at any time and you can use Audible for free. How amazing is that? So that's it, guys. That's how you can easily use Audible for free. Very easy and very simple.